Hi everybody! It's going to be a while till I come up with the next grammar video. In the meanwhile, why don't we replace everyday basic English with advanced English and enhance our vocabulary? Of course, it's absolutely fine to use simple English words, but why not try and replace basic English with some advanced English words? So here we go. Think can be replaced with consider, anyway with nevertheless, ask with enquire, let with permit, need, require, buy, purchase, help, assist, job, occupation, tell, inform, seem, appear, get, obtain, live, reside. Now let's use these set of words in sentences and see the difference they make. Why don't you think about going to the gym? Why don't you consider going to the gym? The shirt was expensive, but Simon bought it anyway. The shirt was expensive, but Simon bought it nevertheless. I'm calling to ask about language courses. I'm calling to enquire about language courses. They do not let visitors into the office. They do not permit visitors into the office. This job needs computer skills. This job requires computer skills. I'm going to buy a pair of shoes for myself. I'm going to purchase a pair of shoes for myself. I'll help you change the tire. I'll assist you with changing the tire. What is your job? What is your occupation? I called to tell that I'll be late for work. I called to inform that I'll be late for work. It seems that you have given the right answer. It appears that you have given the right answer. It was difficult to get the information. It was difficult to obtain the information. Where do you live? Where do you reside? There are many more basic English words that can be replaced with advanced English words. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care, God bless, and much love.